You bring your toys here? Huh?
Yeah.
Why you bring your toys here? You say hi, guys. Pumasok siya doon. Dito yan lalabas. Kuya Yusuf! Where are you? Sinigaw. Peekaboo. Oh, you want to slide with the Blippi? Oh, let's go with Blippi slide. Go there. Go, go, go. Ang tawag niya dito is Blippi slide. Ayan. We're going to slide in Blippi. Pero nahingi yung kotse niya. Another car? Oh, get it. Nandito isang kotse niya. Your car slide first before you? Tapos isa naman. Ayun. Siyempre tayo din. Pagod ako. Taas di pala yun. Akit na naman siya. Kaya natin si Kuya Yusuf dito. Makikita natin siya doon sa taas. Asa na si Yusuf? Hi. Enjoy naman siya kasi dala niya yung kotse niya. Ayun siya. Oh, aray! Aray! Your car hit me. Aray! Your car hit me, kuya. What is this? Again? I'll wait for you here. Go, go, go. Ang bilis. Ito na siya. Ayay! Again. Aray! Ay! Oh. Yeah, your car is... One car is there. Bakit naman siya? Pumula ako dito. Ha? Yala, you go, 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 go. Okay, yun lang. Si nanay nasa Carrefour. Nag-grocery for, wala na kaming manok for the weekend. Wala na manok, wala na itlog, wala na diaper, tsaka gatas si Bunso. Habang kaming dalawa naman naglalaro. Tumama sa tuhod ko. Aray. You're crazy, kuya. I love you. I love you, kiss me. I love you. Are you happy? You're happy?
Yes.
Say hi, nanay.
Hi, Nanay.
I love you.
I love you.
Thank you.